Hey, it's James Nicholson. I hope you're well. Now, if you're watching this video, you want to know how to make an automated lead generation machine for your business. Well, this video has got you covered. I'm going to talk about exactly how you can do that in any business to get more leads and more sales super fast. Now, I'm going to assume something. If you're watching a video like this, that you're a business owner, a coach, consultant, entrepreneur, or someone looking to start a business. Now, if that is you, then make sure you hit the subscribe button on this channel. Do it now. Hit that subscribe button and hit the bell notification, because this channel is for you. I teach marketing strategies, business funding, and lots more entrepreneurial stuff besides that. And every single day I launch new videos to help you grow your business. So make sure you do that while you're here. Now, very quickly, my name is James Nicholson, and I've generated tens of millions of pounds in my businesses using my business accelerator methodology. I didn't find business particularly easy when I started out, and maybe you're in that position right now where things are difficult to get leads and sales online. In fact, my first business failed and I got 50 grand in debt. Now, since then, I've been in business 15 years, and during that time, I've developed a methodology to get clients and keep clients using digital marketing. I've spent hundreds of thousands of pounds of my own money to figure this stuff out. Now, I'm known for only teaching and mentoring stuff that I actually do in my business myself. And so I want to show you exactly how you can get this working in your business too. So do give me a like while you're watching the video, comment below any questions, and tell me who you are as well, because this is the channel for you. Now let's jump into this content, because look, at the end of the day, you just want to know how to get this internet marketing stuff working, right? Now, the biggest mistake that I see people making, and why they don't get leads on demand in their business and why they don't get automated sales, is because they try and get married on a first date. That's creepy. Right? Really creepy. And so what I mean by that is they promote on Instagram, on TikTok, on YouTube, and wherever, and all they do is sell stuff. So you go look at their Facebook business page, and all it says is, buy this, it's on sale this week. Now, that will get a small percentage of people that take action. But most people aren't quite ready to buy yet, and they need some persuasion, they need some warming up, they need to build that relationship and that rapport with you. And that's what we must get working for you in your business. So what we need to do, rather than try and get married on a first date and be creepy, is first, you must demonstrate that you're an expert at what you do. Whatever it is that you sell, weight loss, whether you're an estate agent, whether you're an e-commerce store, you have to demonstrate that you're the go-to expert in the market. And you're going to do that with content, right? Content is there to show people you are the go-to expert in your market, and they should listen to you and get value from you. And so content can be in various forms. It could be a video like this, right? You're probably watching this on YouTube, but maybe it's on another platform. But the content is there to show everyone you are somebody that knows what they're talking about. Now, some of your businesses, you need content to educate people on what your product or service is. So I have a client, Ronald and Patrina, and they do something called iridology, which is a photo of the eye that can help identify things like diabetes and various other health and wellness stuff, right? Now, most people don't know that exists. And so they have to create content around that topic to demonstrate that this is a solution, but also to demonstrate that they are the experts at using that solution to get people a result. Right? Now, video is the best type of content, but if you don't want to do video content, you can do written posts and blogs, and also you can outsource this to other people to write for you, and so you can focus on really getting that quality up and then just tweaking it when it comes back to you. So content, it's there to show you're an expert, to demonstrate your product or service is important for somebody. Most people miss this out, but it's the most important step. Without this, no one's actually going to become a lead, so you won't have an automated lead machine, right? Next, You need to capture some leads. This is what you're here for. You want to know how to get leads into your business. Well, you do that by showing the people that watched your content something that they can opt in for, something that gives them value, massive value, that they think, you know what, I want that. And by opting in, that they're going to get the next step on the journey working with you. So here's a few examples on what you might give away. Could be a guide, a report, or a discount voucher. Could be a video series that they opt in for. It could be a webinar that they opt in to watch as well, right? There's a ton of different things that they can opt in for in your business. And so that's what I want you guys to have a think about. What can you get your clients to opt in for? And so there's 30 different things that we have. And if you want a list of those, actually in the description of this video is a link to my 30 lead gen strategies guide. And you can grab that right now for free, actually, while you're there. And you'll see that's me grabbing leads from my business. And this video is working while I sleep. You know, you could be watching this at any point in the future. I'm not doing this live. And so I'm constantly capturing leads. Now, the next step is we want to turn them into a customer. And there's various ways that you can do that. One is to get people to book a call with you, right? And so they book a call in with your business. And by doing that, you can work out whether they're a good fit, and you can demonstrate more value and help them and support them. They can then make a decision on if they work with you. Or you can get them to book a visit where you go out and physically see them, or they come and see you to discuss your product and service. And that's a real key thing here as well. So booking an appointment. Now, the other way, which works well if you want to make this a bit more automated, is to sell them something cheap, right? So I do this. And in the description of this video, I want you to go and grab a copy of this as well. So this book, Expert Mastery, goes really detailed into how to build an automated lead machine into your business, into any business, in fact. And so in the description, I actually give this away. Right, I give this away, and you can grab your copy today, a physical copy. I'll post this out to you. And so when you take this, I will give you this for free. You're going to pay the shipping, right? You're going to pay the shipping. And then and once you take that, then there's an offer for the Audible version of that. And there's an offer for a digital course. Now, all of the money that I generate from those sales are put back into advertising, right? So I'll sell the book, I'll get £2, and the digital course, just for full transparency on how this works, is we sell something for £27 that we normally sell for £300. So it's an incredible deal for you guys. And some people take that, some people don't, right? But on average, we get about £15 for every book that we give away, right? On average. So it means about half the people take that course, right? And so what that means is I've got £15 every transaction. Now, I put that back into marketing. I'll buy Facebook ads with that. I'll buy YouTube ads with that. I'll buy TikTok ads, LinkedIn ads. I don't care. I'll just get as many different ad platforms as I can. And all of those are sending people back here to my content, right? They're taking them to the top of this process here, right? And so by doing that, I'm not actually looking to make any money at all. I'm just looking to reinvest all the money that I get from my upsell. All of the money from this book sale and the digital course is going back in. And so everyone that watches my content, they're offered my guide or report, and that's building my list, right? So that's how I'm doing this in an automated way. And so while I sleep, people are seeing adverts for my content. People are seeing adverts to get my guides and reports. Then some of them are buying something from me, right? Not all of them, but some of them, enough of them are buying something from me. And I just keep reinvesting that money and reinvesting that money, and that builds my list bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. And by building that list, I then have a strong list of buyers in my business. Then I offer those people my core offer, which is my Business Accelerator mentorship program, where I support business owners to really take this and amplify this to the next level. And that's suitable for those people that want faster results. Now, not everyone's going to take that because that's expensive, but it gives me an opportunity to build a list of prospects and advertise and market to them because they're in my database. I can say, hey, look, here's an email. You can join or enroll into my Business Accelerator program, which is really, really powerful, right? And so this is a shortcut. This is a great way to build a list for free. So then I'm offering my core offer, and pretty much anyone that takes that, it's pure profit because I've built my list for free, right? Because I've advertised, got a list, but then sold them something which has made me some money, and that money's gone back in the top, right? If you're getting this, tell me I'm getting this in the comments below. That would be really useful. Now look, while we're here, we've got some more to go through. But very quickly, if you didn't do it earlier and now you realize, you know what, this guy's actually going to help me grow my business, then subscribe, right? Thousands of people have already subscribed to this channel. So do hit the do hit the subscribe button and the bell notification, because that alerts you when my new content comes out. So do that. And can you help me get this video out to more people? Do like this video and comment below. I want to know all about the people that are watching this video, because that's what really lights me up here, right? So let's just recap on this. We've got content to make sure they know we're an expert. We're capturing leads by giving something away. Then we're turning them into a customer. We're using the money from that to spend more on advertising to get more lead, ebook downloads and stuff like that. Then those people can be offered our core offer. And where the real profit in this business model is when we continue to sell to these people, right? And I'm well class at helping people like you to build a product ladder out and actually get this working in their business. I work with a homeopathist who was doing homeopathy appointments, and we added additional products into her business. She added a book into her business. She also added a retreat into her business that made 10 grand in one weekend. And so we need to continue to sell to them. We need to work on your product ecosystem and work out what we can continue to sell to your existing clients. That is the secret to big profits in your business, and that's what we help you achieve, right? Now, look, I hope you found this video useful. Now, I really want you to go into this in more detail. And the fastest way to do that is to grab a copy of Expert Mastery. So in the description is a link, and you can grab a free copy of Expert Mastery today. And I'm not giving you an ebook here. I'm actually posting you a physical copy of Expert Mastery, right? So this is going to wing its way to you in the next couple of days. So do that now. Click on that link below and do grab your copy of Expert Mastery. It's going to be a game changer for your business. Now, I'm going to pay for the shipping. You're going to pay for the book. That's it. Now, if you didn't do that already, do make sure you subscribe to this channel. Do give me a like. Do give me a comment. I've got so much information. Now, if you also want to find out in more detail faster how to get this working, I've made a video on this. It's a 1 hour long video which you can watch just here. There's nothing for sale in that video. I'm just going to give you more value and really help you. You don't have to opt in. It's a YouTube video that you can watch right now. So do click on that video right here and watch that now. I'll see you soon. I'm James Nicholson. Stay blessed and good luck in growing your business. Bye for now.